Don't fail your DMV test because of confusing road signs. In this video, we'll explain the top 20 U.S. road signs for driving test, what they mean, how to remember them, and then we'll test you with a quiz at the end. Think you can score 100%? Let's find out. Stop sign. Requires drivers to come to a complete stop. Yield sign. Instructs drivers to give way to other vehicles and pedestrians. Speed limit sign. Shows the maximum speed allowed on the road. Deer crossing sign. Warns of deer crossing the road ahead. Worker sign. Alerts drivers to roadworks or workers on the road. Do not enter sign. Indicates vehicles cannot enter this road. No U-turn sign. Prohibits making U-turns at this location. No left turn sign. Prohibits making left turns at the intersection. No right turn sign. Prohibits making right turns at the intersection. Roundabout sign. Warns of an upcoming circular intersection. Traffic light ahead sign. Warns of traffic signals ahead. No stopping sign. Vehicles cannot stop at any time in this area. No parking sign. Vehicles cannot park in this area. Two-way traffic sign. Alerts that traffic moves in both directions. Weight limit sign. Indicates the maximum vehicle weight allowed. School zone sign. Warns of a nearby school, drive carefully. Pedestrian crossing sign. Shows where pedestrians may cross the road. Winding road sign. Alerts drivers of multiple curves ahead. Parking area sign. Indicates a designated vehicle parking area. Slippery when wet ahead sign. Warns that the road may be slippery when wet. Are you ready for the final challenge? 20 signs, 5 seconds each. Can you ace them all before time runs out? Let's find out. What is this road sign? That's right, it is the do not enter sign. Which traffic sign is this? Exactly, it is the stop sign. What is this road sign? Correct, that is the stop sign. Name this traffic sign. Yes, it is. It is the pedestrian crossing sign. Which road sign is this? That is right, it is the no parking sign. Which road sign is this? Exactly, it is the no right turn sign. Which road sign is this? Yes, it is. It is the school zone sign. Name this traffic sign. Correct, that is the traffic lights ahead sign. Identify this road sign. That's right, it is the no U-turn sign. What is this traffic sign? Exactly, it is the no left turn sign. Identify this road sign. Yes, it is. It is the yield sign. What is this traffic sign? That is right, it is the weight limit sign. Which road sign is this? Correct, that is the deer crossing sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly, it is the two-way traffic sign. What road sign is this? Yes, it is. It is the workers ahead sign. What is this road sign? That's right, it is the roundabout sign. What is this road sign? Correct, that is the winding road sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly, it is the slippery when wet ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? Yes, it is. It is the parking area sign. Name this traffic sign. That is right, it is the falling rocks sign. Great job making it to the end. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more road signs quizzes and guides. Tap on these video on your screen to keep practicing. Remember, the more you practice, the faster you'll pass your DMV test.